Welcome to one of the most breathtaking natural wonders on Earth, Iguazú Falls, straddling the border between Argentina and Brazil. This magnificent cascade comprises 275 individual waterfalls, stretching nearly 2 miles across, with the largest drop, known as Devil's Throat, plunging a staggering 269 feet. The sheer volume of water, estimated at 62,000 cubic feet per second during peak flow, creates a mesmerizing spectacle as it crashes into the river below, generating mist that dances in the sunlight, often creating stunning rainbows. The surrounding rainforest teems with biodiversity, housing hundreds of species of flora and fauna, making it a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors can explore numerous walkways and viewing platforms, offering unique perspectives of this natural marvel. The falls are not just a visual feast. They resonate with the sounds of rushing water and the calls of exotic wildlife, creating an immersive experience that captivates the senses and leaves a lasting impression.